Tired of studying physics longer, but want to learn physics in a few minutes? This video is for you. Hey guys, welcome to our quick physics tutorial wherein we will answer physics problems step by step. In this tutorial, develop your analytical skills in a matter of 10 minutes. Improve your comprehension in physics concepts. Study at your own pace and study at your best convenient time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell for more updates. See you in a bit. Is there really a negative displacement? How is it possible? Simply put, imagine a marble moving forward and back horizontally. On your left is the given graph, and on your right is an illustration of the real event of a particle which both started and ended at the same time. The negative sign of x indicates the backward or reversed direction of the particle, but the distance is always positive. And we're done! Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell for more quick physics tutorials. Like and follow us on our Facebook page. See ya!